Today I answer the question, what is reputational harm in a cyber insurance policy? Have you ever wondered what would happen to your reputation if a cyber event struck your company? What would the damages be? Is it covered by insurance? I'm going to go in to answer these questions coming right up. Okay, let's start off by saying that no two cyber policies are the same. There are many policy forms out there, and some are drastically outdated, which just haven't been keeping up with rapid changes in security risks and issues. And there's a handful that really address the most up-to-date risks, but even some of these are slightly nuanced from one to the other. Some policies include a host of extra coverages, and some you need to endorse with broadening endorsements to get all the extras and bells and whistles. And when it comes to cyber risk, getting the broadest protection is critically important. One of those extra coverages I want to talk about today is reputational harm or damages. What is it and why is it important? Many types of businesses maintain confidential or trusted relationships with their clients. Off the top of my head, I'm thinking of firms like law firms, accounting firms, wealth management firms, payroll companies, real estate brokers, and more. Just about any relationship where private information is shared and exchanged, or money is involved, or confidentiality is important. What would happen if one of these types of firms had to notify their clients that their firm suffered a cyber breach and that the client's private information may have been stolen or put on the dark web? You'd think that there would be a loss of trust, right? The reputation of that firm is now tarnished in the eyes of the client. How bad can it get? It can get really bad really fast. In fact, I know of several situations where long-term clients left trusted business relationships immediately after learning of a breach. In one situation I know about, 4 of the firm's largest clients left shortly after breach notifications went out, and unfortunately, the company went bankrupt. Is this type of risk insurable? Yes, in many good cyber policies, reputational harm can be covered. The intent is to reimburse the insured for the net profit that was lost as a direct result of adverse media surrounding a cybersecurity failure, breach, extortion demand, or similar situation. In plain English, reputational harm covers your business if it's hacked, breached, or suffers a ransomware attack, and your customers find out about it and they leave and you suffer financial damages as a result of it. Important? I'd say so, especially for the types of firms and companies that have trusted relationships with their clients. Now, would you stop using your local dry cleaner if they suffered a hack? Probably not. You'd probably still go there just out of convenience. But what about your wealth manager? Here, you would probably have second thoughts and may change relationships. Now, another related coverage I want to mention is reputational repair, and it goes hand in hand with reputational harm and damages. Reputational repair is coverage to pay for crisis management costs, which can include things like public relations, media costs, mailings, and other costs incurred to minimize or mitigate the damage inflicted on your reputation by a cyber event. Together, these two coverages are critical for most businesses. Insider secret, they don't cost a lot either, which is good news. Do you know what's in your cyber policy? Or more importantly, what's not in your cyber policy? If you haven't taken a deep dive into your coverage or your agent hasn't gone through it with you, then maybe you should. If you're not confident in your agent's abilities, then let's chat. In the description box below is my contact info and a link where you can book a call directly on my calendar. I promise no heavy-duty sales gimmicks or pressure or nonsense, just a conversation to see how we can help you be more secure. Thanks for watching, and do me a favor, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.